special awards. Our minor awards. First is, may I call it Kagawad Hazard Enoch and Kagawad JP Ramos to award their personal choice. The Kagawad's Choice Award.
Hihilain niya ng mga bata. Bakit?
Palakpakan naman mo para sa ating Kagawad's Choice Award, who generously give all of our candidates an award. Lahat po sila panalo para kay Kagawad Hazard. Palakpakan naman po dyan. Organizers, pwede mo patulungan ng ating Kagawad. Congratulations, Mr. Candidates. Thank you so much, Kagawad Hazard Enoch. Palakpakan naman po dyan. A few weeks ago, at Tiamsing Photography page, we have posted the official photos of our delegates, and we have asked all of their followers to give them a heart to win the Mr. Popularity Award. Medyo nagkaroon na po ng konting problema dahil alam niyo naman po yun. I don't want to talk about that. But rest assured, we organizers have chosen the real winner. And our Mr. Popularity is to be awarded by Ms. Raisa Talib, ladies and gentlemen, our Mr. Popularity Award is Mr. Number. Sino sa tingin nyo? Mr. Number. Mr. Number 6, Mr. Justin Tahi. Congratulations. And ladies and gentlemen, that Tiamsing Photography also told us that they have chosen their own winner, the Tiamsing Photography's Choice Award, and will be awarded by our SK Kagawad Henry Hujaji, may I call Mr. Andrew Tiamsing to award. Let's go, Kuya. And our Tiamsing Photography's Choice Award is Mr. Number. Who is your man? Tiamsing Photography's Choice Award is Mr. Number 4, Mr. Aaron Durali. Congratulations! Congratulations, Mr. Number 4. And now, the Aziz Makeup Artistry, the official makeup artists of our delegates have chosen two candidates who won the Aziz Makeup Artistry Choice Award. And they are Mr. Number to be awarded by SK Kagawad Henry Hujaji, SK Kagawad Henry Hujaji to award our Aziz Makeup Artistry Choice Award. Artistry Choice Award is Mr. Number 7, Subiri Amilo.
Ginawa mo kayo 100 kasi. 100 lang kanina eh.
Wait lang po, habang nahanap ang ating sash. And to award our next Aziz Makeup Artistry Choice Award is Mr. Henry Hojaji, of course, the award. Ulit ko lang. Meko and Mr. Number 7 to and our organizers to have the sash. Organizers? Yan. Palakpakan naman po dyan. And our next Aziz Makeup Artistry Choice Award is Mr. Number. Picture mo kasi. Come up here, Mr. Number 2, Mr. RJ Nasi. Thank you very much. Organizers, we already have the results? Kapag muna kayo dyan, mga candidates, para... Okay. Pwede na kayo magpupunta muna sa backstage para makapagpahinga, okay? Konting break muna kayo. Para natin ang ating mga candidates. I believe they have given a justice as our distinguished Mr. Hari Raya 2026 Coronation Night Judge for this joyous Eid Mubarak 2026 celebration. Given this March 24, 2026 at Covered Court, Kalapapuan, Purok 60 Muslim Community, Subic, Zambales, Mayor Call and Ms. Tasmira Nali Susing. Palakpakan naman po siya together with Ms. Raisa Talib to award our Certificate of Appreciation. Dito po tayo. Thank you so much, Ms. Tasmira Nali. Next, we hereby express our deepest appreciation and gratitude for your presence as our distinguished Mr. Hari Raya 2026 Coronation Night Judge for this joyous Eid Mubarak 2026 celebration. Ms. Catherine Jalmaan. Palakpakan naman po dyan para sa ating mga judge. To be awarded by Mr. Khalid Juklan. To give a certificate, brother. Mr. Khalid Juklan. Bilang siya. Thank you so much, Miss Kathleen. Next, we hereby express our deepest appreciation and gratitude for your presence as our distinguished Mr. Hari Raya 2026 Coronation Night Judge for this joyous Eid Mubarak 2026 celebration. Given this March 24, 2026 at Covered Court, Calapacuan, Purok City Muslim Community, Subic, Zambales. The certificate of appreciation is given to Mr. John Philip Pascual. Sorry po, medyo nagkakapo yung host niyo. To award by Ms. Julia Nasi. Thank you, sir. Maraming salamat po.
Wait lang. Alcohol lang ako. Mamaya na. Pwede mo ito. Diyos lang ako.
We hereby express our deepest appreciation and gratitude for your presence as our distinguished Mr. Hari Raya 2026 Coronation Night Judge for this joyous Eid Mubarak 2026 celebration. Given this 24th of March 2026 at Covered Court, Calapacuan, Purok 6B Muslim Community, Subic, Zambales. To award our certificate of appreciation, may I call Mr. Romar Obispo. And may I call our board member, John Daniel Lachica. Palapakan naman po dyan.
Ito yung lighter ano sa akin. Ito.
Thank you, sir. Daniel John Lachica. Sorry po. Ito siya. And we hereby express our deepest appreciation and gratitude for your presence as our distinguished Mr. Hari Raya 2026 Coronation Night Judge for this joyous Eid Mubarak 2026 celebration. Given this 24th of March 2026 at Covered Court, Calapacuan, Purok 6B Muslim Community, Subic, Zambales. And to give this certificate of appreciation, may I call in Ms. Raisa Kalib. And may we call Mr. Kili Segales. Ang ganda naman ng aking sister, eh? I believe we already have our results. May I call all of our candidates to please go up on stage. Our judges is still checking their scores. Because after that, we will be awarding our candidates. you, Miss Liza. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I have the results. Double check. Judge, good evening po. Balay doon ka nakita namin kanina. Ladies and gentlemen, we now award our special award during the entire competition. First is the best in Batawi. And to award our best in Batawi, may I call on Mr. Kagawad Hasser Ino.
Wala na.
Mr. Kagawad Hasser Ino to award our best in Batawi. And our best in Batawi attire is Mr. Number. Sino sabihin nyo? Best in Batawi attire is Mr. Number 11. Sir Jim R. Hassan. Organizers, Mr. Khalid, thank you so much. Kagawad Hasser Ino. And to award our best in career attire, may I call on Kagawad Wilfredo Bumanlag, brother, to award our best in career attire. And garnering an average score of 9.6%, our best in career attire is Mr. Number. Sino sabihin nyo? I think you got it right. Mr. Number 6, Mr. Prince Justin Tahir. Thank you so much for next, we have our best in talent. And he will be awarded by Kagawad Marilyn Lazo. Good evening, ma'am. And our best in kulintangan and best in batik is best in kulintangan muna tayo. Our best in kulintangan is Mr. Number You got it right, Mr. Number 6, Mr. Prince Justin Marin. Congratulations. And to award our best impact taker, may I call it Ms. Tasmira Nali to award our best impact take. Our best impact take have no cash but have a cash. And our best impact take is sino sa atin nyo? Mr. Number Mr. Number 6, Prince Justin Marin. Congratulations. Thank you so much. And to award our best ingamis, may I call on our Kapitana Tita Albert. Hello ma'am. To award our best ingamis, our formal wear. Hello ma'am, good evening po. And our final and last award, best ingamis, is Mr. Number. Who is your best? Best ingamis is Mr. Number 2. Andre Nasi. Congratulations.
Wala si TJ.
Wow, bonus. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations. May I request all of our candidates to please move backward just a little. Because right now, we will be announcing our top 5 finalists. Sino sa tingin nyo ang pasok sa 5? Mr. Candidate, kung sino man di makakapasok, ano nyo naman ang sinabi ko, this is just a friendly competition, okay? But so far, congratulations po. Palakpakan mo natin sila lahat to give us a wonderful show and a wonderful but friendly competition. And all of our candidates na di makapasok sa top 5, eh, meron pa yung matatanggap na consolation prizes, okay? Palakpakan naman po dyan para sa ating mga candidates. Walang iiyak ha. Are you ready? Ako yung kinakabahan? In no particular order, brother. The first to enter our top 5 is Mr. Number. Sino? Mr. Number 9. Mr. Isor B.I. Congratulations.
Sabi ko, pasok to.
Sino kaya ang susunod? The second spot in our top 5 is Mr. Number. Mr. Number 4. Mr. Aaron Durrani. Congratulations. And in completely random order, the next to enter our top 5 is Mr. Number... Count down, Mr. Number 2! Andre Gassi! And fourth to enter our top 5 is... Congratulations, Mr. Number 11! Mr. General Hassan. Congratulations. And last, enter the top 5 is... Sino Marino! Coming down, Mr. Number... I think you got it right, Mr. Number 6! Mr. Prince Justin Manning! Congratulations, our top 5 finalists! May I request all our remaining delegates to please go backstage para makapagpahinga na kayo, okay? Thank you so much. Balik muna kayo, balik. Balik muna kayo dito kasi i-award na sa inyo yung mga consolation prizes. Palakpakan naman po. Meron pa rin sila matatanggap. May I request all of our, the top 5, na doon muna kayo please. Back, the top 5, doon muna kayo sa likod. And our remaining candidates, dito po sa harap para ma-award ang inyong consolation prizes. Palakpakan naman po para sa ating mga candidates. Organizers. Candidate number 1, number 2, number 5, number 7, number 8, and number 10. Palakpakan daw para sa ating mga candidates. Wala naman yung talo. Thank you so much. Pero ako nagpahinga sa backstage. Wala ko nang uuwi, ha? And now may I request our top 5 finalists to please come out of the stage for our top 5 question and answer round. And all of them will be asked by our judges. Question and answer round. Organizers, may I request 1 microphone for our judge?
Dalawa kayo kung magpinsan, pasok na.
Thank you so much, Mr. Khalid Jumdan. Pero bago natin sila tanungin, pwede mo ba humingi ng palakpakan para sa ating mga organizers? Headed by Ms. Raisa Paksa, Ms. Ashi Quintana, Mr. Khalid Jumdani, Mr. Henry Hojaji, Mr. Romar Obispo, Ms. Francine Gonzalez, and yours truly po, Asis Tiamsing. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang suporta na binibigay niyo po sa amin. And to our sponsors, Tiamsing Photography and Aziz Makeup Industry, together with Ms. Juraya Inok po sa inyong walang sawang suporta. And to our government officials po, maraming salamat po. Judges, are we ready? To ask our first question, may I ask Mr. John? Okay. Board member Daniel John Lachica. May I call in Mr. Number 9? Good luck.
Magandang gabi po. bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon ng pasalamat sa isang miyembro ng iyong pamilya ngayon, ulitin na lang natin. Kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon ng pasalamat sa isang miyembro ng iyong pamilya ngayon, sino ito at bakit?
Ang mga magulang ko po. Kasi sila po yung nagpalaki sa akin at nagbigay ng payo at aruga sa akin po.
Salamat po. Thank you so much. That's our Mr. number 9. May I request Mr. John Philip Pascual to ask our next question? And Mr. number 2? Good luck.
Yeah, kamay mo.
Magandang gabi po ulit. Ganda kasi kaya ko muna ibabatiin na congratulations at nakaabot ko sa top 5. Thank you po. At sa lahat po ng mga ating top 5 finalists, congratulations po sa inyo. Ito po ang iyong katanungan. Sa isang salita, ano ang pinakamahalagang aral na itinuro sa iyo ng Ramadan? Isa ba? Sa isang salita, ano ang pinakamahalagang aral na itinuro sa iyo ng Ramadan?
Patient.
Ulit po natin. Sa isang salita, ano ang pinakamahalagang aral ang itinuro sa iyo ng Ramadan? Sige po. Sa huling pagkakataon po, sa isang salita, ano ang pinakamahalagang aral na itinuro sa iyo ng Ramadan? Isang salita lamang po.
Ano po? Pagsisimba po.
Palaksakan.
Wala yun na lang po. Salamat po.
Thank you so much. That's our Mr. number 2.
Great answer. And may I request Ms. Catherine Jalmani to ask our next question. And may I request Mr. number 6. Good luck.
Number 6, congratulations. Nandito ka na sa final round. I'd like to congratulate also dun sa mga magulang. Mga magulang na nandito po at sumuporta sa kanilang mga anak. Okay, assalamualaikum. Ano yung tanong? Okay, your question is, ang Hari Raya ay para sa lahat. How do you promote unity and peace among people with different beliefs in our community? Okay. Ang Hari Raya ay para sa lahat. How do you promote unity and peace among people with different beliefs in our community?
Ano po para sa communication po na ito po para po knock po.
How do you promote unity? So, paano mo ma-promote ang pagkakaisa at kapayapaan sa ating iba't ibang tao dito sa ating lugar? Iba't ibang beliefs kasi ang meron tayo dito. Okay? Iba't ibang paniniwala. Okay, so, paano mo ipopromote yung pagkakaisa at kapayapaan?
kakulangan ng pagkakaisa po sa pamamagitan ng
Kasi dito sa community natin, may iba't ibang uri ng tao, iba't ibang paniniwala. Okay? So, sa ating community, may pagkakaiba-iba. Okay? So, paano mo i-promote or paano mo hihikayatin, paghikayat mo sa mga tao sa komunidad na magkaroon ng pagkakaisa at magkakaroon ng kapayapaan.
respeto po, tapos po sa ano pa ba?
Si Cindy.
Respeto po sa mga ganang hindi ko na alam, yun lang po.
Thank you so much. That's Mr. Number 6. Mga baguhan pa po kasi yung mga yan, kaya di pa sila sa question and answer. But good job so far, okay? May I request Ms. Tasmira Nali to ask our next question, and Mr. Number 11. Good luck.
Magandang gabi and congratulations. Narating mo yan. Makapasok ka naman top 5 is panalo ka na. Is, ano ang mas pipiliin mo? Ang maging gwapo o ang maging mabuting tao?
Maraming salamat po sa napakagandang katanungan mula sa napakagandang babae na katulad niyo. Para sa akin po, mas pipiliin ko ang kagandahang loob dahil ang kagandahang panlabas po ay kukupas din ito sa ating pagtanda. Ngunit ang kagandahang panloob ay tatagal ito hanggang sa ating kamatayan. Ano naman po sa akin?
Thank you so much. That's our Mr. Number 11. And may I ask Mr. Chi Sagales to ask our final question? And may I call on Mr. Number 4, Mr. Errol Turani. And
Ay, matalino yun. Thank you.
and congratulations at dahil na narating mo ang pinaka-entire ng competition, which is the top 5. At sa lahat ng ating mga non-winners, mahusay po ka at napakagaling niyo po. Good job po sa lahat ng mga sumali. At ito po yung question, Mr. Harry Ryan number 4. Kung mayroon kang babaguhin sa mundo ngayon, ano ito at bakit? Uulitin ko ang tanong. Kung mayroon kang babaguhin sa mundo ngayon, ano ito at bakit?
Kung meron man po akong babaguhin sa mundo, yun yung pagrespeto ng mga tao. Sabi nga po sa Quran, isang sign po ng yaman po ang pag hindi pagrespeto sa nakakatanda sa mga magulang.
Thank you so much. That's our Mr. Number 4. Kaya nyo pa ba? So far, sino ang winner nyo? Mr. Number? Mr. Number? Mamaya pa. Because right now we have our official results.
Wait lang.
Top 5 finalists and our remaining candidates.
Sana naintindihan yung jet sagot ko, no, Calvin, no? Maganda sagot mo eh.
To support their brothers.
Kasi sinabi niya yung sign ng kiyama, baka di maintindihan eh.
Muslim community, handa na ba kayo? Sino kaya ang ating kauna-unahang Mr. Hari Raya 2026? favoritism po na nangyari. Kaya sa mga gusto pong magtanong, ang gusto makita ng tabulation, puntahan nyo na lang po kami. Okay? Again, I would like to invite everyone for the Grand Coronation of Abujang Kalapakuan 2026 that will be happening tomorrow, March 25 at the same venue.
Bukas mas matagal ito, no? Kasi mga babae, tapos magaganda, no?
Thoughts in my hand. Handa na ba kayo? Handa na ba kayo? But before that, may I request our board member, Daniel John Lachica, to give us a short message. Palakpakan naman po dyan. Good evening, sir.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Board Member Daniel John Lachica. Kaya po ako naging board member kasi po ako po ang pinakamataas na SK chairperson sa buong lalawigan po ng Sambales. Pero siyempre, kaparehas ko din po ang kapitan po natin na umangat. Siguro pinagpala po kami dahil nakikita naman po siguro ng ating Panginoon na bukal po sa loob po namin ng ano po sa subdivision. Anyway, hindi naman po ito ang unang beses na nakita niyo po ako dito sa inyong community. And syempre bilang boses po ninyo sa lalawigan, ako po ay natutuwa dahil meron po kayong ganitong mga patimpalak para po sa kabataan. Dahil sa mga ganito pong mga okasyon, natuturuan po natin sila sa murang edad na magkaroon po ng confidence sa kanilang mga sarili at hindi po makalimutan ang kanilang kultura. Well, para po sa inyong kalaman, mag-isang taon pa lang po ako sa July na tumayo bilang inyong bukal sa ating lalawigan. Pero kahit na sandali lamang po ang panahon na aking upo, marami naman na po tayo nagawang ordinansa at napirmahang mga programa para po sa inyong lahat at lalo sa ating kabataan. Well, nakaraan Lunes, kaya ko pong pagmalaki sa inyong lahat na pinasok po natin ng Zambales Child Protection Policy. Dito po, nakasakit po dito ang karapatan at proteksyon ng mga kabataan dito sa ating lalawigan. At in-adjust na rin po natin ang Gender and Development Code kung saan kinikilala na po natin ang LGBT community sa ating lalawigan. Hindi na po natin kailangan ng pag-ibig sa Zambales. Siyempre sa lahat po ng nagbuo ng event, congratulations po sa ating mga sponsors, sa ating kapitan, councils, sa ating pong at leader. Maraming salamat po sa suporta ninyo sa kabataan ng Kalapakuan. Napakaganda po at napakasigla ng Kalapakuan sa inyong liderato. At congratulations po sa inyo.
Thank you so much. Our board member, Daniel John Lachica. Maraming salamat po. Muslim community, handa na ba kayo? The results are in my hand. First is our fourth runner-up to award Miracle and Miss Tasmira Nadi Susi, together with Kagawad Wilfredo Bumanla, to award our fourth runner-up. To be crowned by Ms. Tasmira Nadi, and sash to be pinned by Mr. Gawad Wilfredo Bumanla. Together with Mr. Khalid Jumdani and SK Kagawad Henry Kujaji. Ladies and gentlemen, Muslim community, your Mr. Hanilaya 2026 fourth runner-up is Mr. Number Mr. Number 6, Prince Justin Tahil. Congratulations. Congratulations, Mr. Number 6. And to award our third runner-up, may I call him Mr. Chisegales, together with Kagawad Hasser Ino, to award our third runner-up. Together with Ms. Raisa Talib and Mr. Romar of this. Hello? Hello. Hello? And Ms. Johura Nasi. Ayan. May nagdolo ang ating mic yung gabi. Ito problema po ang ating mic. Ladies and gentlemen, Muslim community, our Mr. Hari Raya 2026 third runner-up is Mr. Number 2, Ajay Nasi. Congratulations. Congratulations, Mr. Number 2. And to award our second runner-up, may I call it Ms. Catherine Jalmani? Ms. Catherine Jalmani, together with Tagawag Bata de Clazo, to award our winner, our second runner-up.
Kulit lang siya kanina talaga. Lalo na yung nag-iigal-igal siya, di ba? Takas ko.
Ladies and gentlemen, Muslim community, your Mr. Hari Raya 2026 second runner-up is... Who is your man? Mr. Hari Raya 2026 second runner-up is Mr. Number 9, ICPI. Congratulations. We have last two misters left. Sino kaya? These last two misters have given us a great answer. Pero sino kaya sa kanila ang nagbigay ng malakas na impact? Sino kaya? Number 11? Number 4? I will be announcing first is our first runner-up. So that the first runner-up will have their own moment. And after that, I will be calling our Mr. Hari Raya 2026 King. To award our first runner-up, may I call in Mr. John P. Pascual, together with board member Daniel Jaya Chica. Together with SK Kagawad Henry Ojaji and Mr. Khalid Juntani. And our Mr. Hari Raya 2026 first runner-up is Mr. Hari Raya 2026 first runner-up of Mr. Number 4! And to award our winner, may I call on our Kapitana Kita Albert, together with Mr. Parker M. Basar, to award our grand winner for tonight. Together with Ms. Raisa Talib, together with Mr. Romar Obispo. With that goal announcement. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our Mr. Hari Raya 2026 is Mr. Number 11, Mr. Jamal Hassan. Congratulations. Palakpakan naman po natin ating mga winners ngayong gabi. And Muslim community, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. And once again, this is Mr. Hari Raya 2026. Kaya Andres, sugita pa ka sa inyong photo op. And once again, thank you to all our organizers for tonight for making this event possible. And to our generous sponsors, maraming salamat po. Our distinguished panel of judges, thank you so much po sa inyong oras. Our government officials, thank you so much po. Together with our imam, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpunta ngayong gabi. Our king together with his court. Maraming salamat po Muslim community, and once again, meron pa po bukas ang ating Bunjang Kalabawan 2026! See you all again tomorrow! Harap kayo para makapag-picture our Mr. Catholic. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. And Miss Julhura Nasi, together with Miss JP Gallegos, thank you so much, my dearest sister. our official makeup artist for tonight, touched by Aljon and Raynel Nasi. Thank you so much. And Miss Asha Quintana, of course. And our official photographer for tonight, Tiamsing Photography by Kuya Andrew Tiamsing, together with Mr. Akram Akbara. Our stage decorator, Mr. Alvin Tiamsing by Shamon Events.
Ang perfect ng sagot ka kayo yun eh, no? Ang perfect ng sagot ka ako. May judge
Hello. Our lights and sounds by Mr. JB Marangi. Thank you so much for what a great sound. Our DJ, Mr. Roel Jalil. Thank you so much. Sa mga magulang po ng ating mga Mr. Candidates, thank you po sa inyong suporta.